Finding the perfect frying pan that delivers exceptional cooking performance while keeping health and safety in mind can be challenging. This GreenPan Lima ceramic hard anodized 8-inch frying pan, a kitchen essential designed for both convenience and care. If you're someone who values high-quality cookware that's safe, versatile, and durable, this pan is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Why the GreenPan Lima frying pan is a game changer? Healthy cooking every time. One of the standout features of the GreenPan Lima frying pan is its Thermolon ceramic nonstick coating, a revolutionary alternative to traditional nonstick surfaces. Made without PFAS, PFOA, lead, or cadmium, this coating ensures that no harmful chemicals are released, even if the pan is accidentally overheated. You can cook your favorite dishes worry-free, knowing you're serving meals that are both delicious and safe. Built to last, the hard anodized aluminum body of this pan offers superior durability and scratch resistance. Whether you're cooking delicate eggs or searing meats, the pan stands up to daily use with ease. Its lightweight design also makes it a pleasure to handle, so you can enjoy effortless cooking sessions. Versatility meets functionality. Not many pans can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven, but the GreenPan Lima excels here. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for recipes that require finishing in the oven. Plus, the stainless steel handle, contoured for a comfortable grip, enhances its usability, ensuring safe and easy handling. Why it's perfect for health-conscious cooks. The GreenPan Lima frying pan doesn't just deliver on performance, it actively promotes healthier cooking practices. The ceramic coating requires less oil, allowing you to prepare low-fat meals effortlessly. With its commitment to safety and quality, this pan aligns with the needs of health-conscious individuals who don't want to compromise on flavor or convenience. Imagine cooking your favorite omelet without worrying about sticking or harmful fumes. The GreenPan Lima frying pan guarantees that every meal is as healthy as it is tasty. Key features that make it a must-have. 1. Non-toxic, non-stick coating. Free of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Resists peeling, blistering, or releasing fumes. 2. Durable, hard anodized construction. Scratch-resistant body designed for long-term use. Lightweight for easy handling. 3. High heat tolerance. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, offering versatility in cooking methods. 4. Ergonomic stainless steel handle. Comfortable, contoured design for better grip and control. 5. Compact size for everyday use. Ideal for single servings, cooking eggs, omelets, and small portions. Looking for cookware that combines safety, performance, and durability? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. A few things to consider. While the GreenPan Lima is a fantastic addition to your kitchen, there are a couple of points to keep in mind. 1. Hand wash only. To preserve its non-stick, it's best to hand wash the pan rather than using a dishwasher. 2. Not ideal for large meals. Its 8-inch size is great for small portions, but may not be suitable for larger families or meals. With the GreenPan Lima fry pan, you're not just investing in cookware, you're investing in a healthier, safer cooking experience. How it stacks up against competitors. Unlike many traditional pans that use harmful chemical coatings, the GreenPan Lima is made with eco-friendly materials that prioritize your health. Its hard anodized aluminum body ensures it lasts longer than standard non-stick pans, making it a cost-effective and sustainable choice for modern kitchens. Final verdict? The GreenPan Lima ceramic hard anodized 8-inch frying pan is more than just a piece of cookware. It's a lifestyle upgrade. With its eco-friendly design, non-stick convenience, and durable construction, this pan is perfect for anyone looking to make cooking easier, safer, and healthier. Whether you're flipping omelets, searing veggies, or baking a frittata, the GreenPan Lima delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Say goodbye to sticking and harmful fumes, and hello to effortless cooking. Ready to transform your kitchen with healthier, smarter cookware? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the switch today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.